Hi guys, you're welcome back to this step-by-step guide on how you can sign out a device from your Google account. Let's say for instance you logged into your Google account using someone's mobile device or using someone's PC or laptop. I'm going to show you guys how you can be able to log out that device from your Google account. When you sign into a device with your Google account, it remains connected to your account until you manually sign out. This can be a security risk if you are signed into a public computer or a device that is no longer in your possession. In this guide, I'll walk you through the step-by-step process of signing out a device from your Google account. Just make sure you follow me to the end of this video to get it all. And also, if this video is helpful to you, do well to like, subscribe, and leave a comment. So guys, let's get started. So guys, now the first step you have to take now is to go over to your Google browser, or you go over to your Chrome browser. As you can see here is my Chrome browser. So once your Chrome browser opens up, the next step you have to take now is to tap on the search bar. You can see it right there. And what you have to do now is to type in google.com. You can see it right there, then tap on search. So guys, after that, what you have to do now is to tap on your Google profile icon. You can see it right there at the top right corner. So let me tap on it right away. So guys, now you can see it's loading up. So guys, now the next step you have to take now is to tap on where you can see manage your Google account. But before I tap on it, in case this is not the Google account that you actually want to sign out a device from, what you have to do now is to select the Google account that you want to sign out the device from. You can do that by tapping on where you can see show more accounts. So let me tap on it right away. So guys, you can see right here, these are all the Google accounts that I have in my device. So let me select the one that I want to sign out the device from. So let me just select this one right here. Let me tap on it now to select it. So this is how you can actually select a Google account. Let me select it real quick. So guys, now you can see another Google account has been selected. You can see the profile icon right there. So let me tap on it now to select it. Let me tap on it. So guys, now you can see this is a new Google account I just chose right now. You can see it right there. So what I'm going to do now is to tap on where it is written manage your Google account. It's going to direct me to where I'll be able to sign out the device from this Google account. So let me tap on it. So guys, now you can see this is where it has brought us to. So now the next step now is to look for where you can see security. I can do that by sliding at that top menu. You can see that top menu right there. You can actually slide on it. So let me slide on it right away. You can see that encircled area. So you have to look for security right there. So you can see security right there. So let me go ahead now to tap on security. So guys, now you can see it right there. Security has been chosen. So what I have to do next now is to scroll down to the bottom. Let me scroll now. Let me keep scrolling. So guys, now you can see where it is written your devices. This is where you're going to find all the devices where you've signed in your Google account. So now what you have to do now is to actually log out to those devices if you want to log them out. And for you to do that, you have to tap on where you can see manage all devices. You can see it right there. So let me tap on it right away. So guys, now you can see it's loading up. So guys, can see the next step. Can see what's written there, your devices. You're signed in on these devices or have been in the last 28 days. There might be multiple activity sessions from the same device. And as you can see down there, those are the devices that I've used to actually sign into my Google account. So now for me to actually sign out a device right now, what I have to do now is to tap on the device I want to sign out from this Google account. So let me tap on the one down there. You can see it right there. Infinix Hot 10 Lite. So I want to sign out that device right away from my Google account. So let me tap on it. So guys, can see it right there. That's the device, that's a phone. You can see it right there, Infinix Hot 10 Lite. And you can see the first time I signed in using that device. You can see the date right there. So guys, now for me to be able to sign out, what I have to do now is to tap on where you can see sign out. You can see it right there on the left hand side. So let me go ahead now to tap on sign out. Then here is the next step. You can see what's written there, sign out on Infinix Hot 10 Lite. This will remove access to your Google account from this device. So guys, let me go ahead now to tap on sign out. Let me tap on it. You can see what's written there, done, but some apps might still have access. Because what I have to do now is to tap on OK. So let me tap on OK right away. So guys, now you can see it right there. The Infinix Hot 10 Lite has been logged out. You can see it right there, signed out. You can see where the arrow is pointing. So guys, now I've been able now to show you guys how you can sign out a device from your Google account, and I believe it was helpful. See you in the next upload. Bye.